This looks like it's coming straight from my scalp. I have no words. Hey y'all, it's your girl Faye back with another video. Today I'm gonna be installing this synthetic wig, and y'all, it's only $30. Yeah, $30. So if you guys want to see how I installed this hair, just keep watching and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. So this is what the hair looks like straight from the box, no customizing. It comes with Kinky Edges, which I'm so excited to try because I feel like it'll give that really natural look. I love this. Like, this is so cute. Let me try it on. Okay. So how I put it on is I just put on the elastic band first, and then I pull the wig over. And voila! This is how it looks. Oh, whoa. This looks really good. Okay, there's obviously a lot of work to be done, but I am so confident that this is gonna look amazing. Close up on the hairline. I need to tint the lace, and honestly, I need to do a bit of customizing just to make it look like it's coming out from my scalp. So I'm gonna take this off my head and do a little bit of the customizing off my head because I feel like it's easier to see the parting. A bit of details about this hair. This is the sensational Kinky Edges 13x6 lace wig. That is a mouthful, but it is in body wave, and I believe it's 14 inches. I know that they have a longer version of this, and I'm not sure if that's the Letitia wig, but this is slightly different because this has Kinky Edges. I'm tinting the lace using the Ruby Kisses cream foundation, and this is in the shade range here. I want it to be a little bit darker than my current foundation, so I'm just going with a mixture of these two shades. And you're gonna want to apply this generously. Above all the anger that can't corrupt some minds. Let's make it on the night. It's basically just thinning out the hair and just trying to make it look as natural to my hairline as possible. Somebody was dissing you, but don't wanna leave your family miserable. You the innocence of body's prison, or what's up in the hospital. So this is what the hair is looking like now with just a little bit of customization. I might go in just a little bit more just to get this to look a bit more natural right here because it feels a bit full, but I don't know. Does it look good so far? Okay, I think we got it. So now it's time to cut the lace. It looks pretty good, honestly, but I can't really tell if it's giving lace yet, so let me cut it. I'm just using these scissors I got from Amazon. They're pretty precise. I'm gonna start with this ear tab and just go in zigzag. You don't want to cut too much of the lace off because you want some area to like glue it down. Whoa. That looks like it's coming from my scalp. You can't even tell. Okay, let me cut off this piece right here because it's throwing me off. Y'all, are y'all seeing this? This looks like it's coming straight from my scalp. I can't believe this wig was only $30. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at that. Oh, this is great. There's no glue or anything on here and it looks this good. All right, let me continue because I'm gonna be here for hours. Okay, let me just quickly finish cutting the rest of the lace off. I could just leave it right here and honestly, no one could tell that there's no glue. Like, this looks so good. I could even go in with a little bit of, right, look at that. It just isn't here. Okay, I'm not even sure if I should like glue it down, but I guess because I'm about to go out and I don't want this, you know, anything lifting or anything crazy happening. Time for me to spray my hair down with just a little bit of Ebin. I really like the gold can because I feel like it really gives that extreme hold. So let's just use this. Now that the glue is a little bit more tacky, I'm gonna go ahead and place it right where the glue ends. Make sure it's not too forward, back a bit. And I like working with like this spray because you can kind of move it around before it's like actually stuck down. So don't have to be too afraid of placing it down and then it's stuck. Okay, how does this look? I keep asking y'all, like, you guys are here. How does this look, Faye? How does it look? I think it looks good. I'm just using an elastic band. This was also from Amazon. I want this to be tight, so I'm just gonna go over everywhere. I'm gonna give this like 10 to 20 minutes to get dry. I don't have much time, so I really should blow dry it, but while that's waiting, I'm gonna style the hair. I always do a side part, but I'm considering switching it up and doing a middle part today because it just looks so good as is. So let's see if it actually works. Let me try side part. Let me just see what it looks like. Oh, okay, yeah, I have to do side part. I mean, there's no choice. I wish I could do it any other way, but side part is just calling to me, y'all. It's calling to me. We can't take no more of this cycle. All the malice, the violence, and the spiteful. Yeah, this is everything. This hair is safe to take heat up to 400 degrees, but I'm super nervous about it, so I'm just gonna only put it up to 375. This looks so good. Like, I'm just shocked. There's not much else to do. I'm gonna crease into 400. Okay. Looking good. And to define the crease, I'm gonna use my Born This Way concealer and just go over the part just a bit. A moment of truth. I'm gonna take off the headband now. Ooh. Oh, hold on. Let me take a comb to comb out and make sure it's not like crunchy. And it's not. Just trying to think of what I should do with this part. It's a little crunchy. I think I got some spray here. Looks a bit weird. I think I'm gonna need to put some mousse to style it better. I'm still obsessed, but to make it look a bit more natural and not like too kinky here, I'm gonna take my Shea Moisture Mousse and just get these edges together. This is what the baby hairs are looking like. I just went ahead and gave them slight swoops here, so it almost mimics baby hairs. I'm a bit nervous because I saw this girl on TikTok do this and I don't know if I'm doing it correctly, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to brush out some of these curls and see how they're looking. Ooh, this is volume. Yeah. One thing I like about synthetic wigs is you can really play around with it. You don't have to do like anything a set way because the curls really just bounce back. Like you can just see how I'm brushing through it and it's still maintaining that volume. So use this time to play around with it, try to figure out what works for you, and it just always works out. So now it's time to take out this band. Ooh, much better. Hold on. And a little bit of that. I feel like I'm iffy about this. I love it, but then I don't know if I did the edges correctly. So you guys let me know if you're like, ooh, that's too much. I feel like I should pluck this more and make it a bit more natural, but I just don't want it to be like over plucked. But as of right now, the fact that this basically came ready to wear, this looks like it's coming straight from my scalp. I have no words. Like, how is this wig $30? I'm gonna leave all the product details in the description box below, so make sure to check that out if you need to know where I got this hair from, because this is only $30. Like, I'm gonna keep saying that because it's unbelievable. Like, the fact that like the curls are so bouncy, it's so voluminous, like it literally looks so natural. And it was so easy. Like, I love this. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you guys love this look, if you guys think I should have done the middle part, because I'm 50-50, because I know middle part would also just eat. You could do so much. Like, I can just do a flip. Oh, wow, I love this. I'm like tempted to cut this bit more. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video to the end. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let me know what other wigs you guys want me to try. Okay,
wanna live your name missing you, wanna see the best for you, this I confess to you. Let us see what God has in store for the rest of you.